Did you know that you can start your own trucking company for $500 without having to obtain a CDL license or drive an 18-wheeler? Shocking, right? Are you an over-the-road truck driver who is tired of driving semis and misses their family and friends? Are you a hardworking mother or father who get up day in and day out who's still living paycheck to paycheck and want a career that can bring you $1,000 in one day? Wouldn't you prefer to use your time and efforts on your own company and be in the six-figure earning bracket in 21 days? If you said hell yes, then this is the right course for you. Starting my own company has gotten me 2 cars, a home, and peace of mind through hard work and dedication. We are also offering a free sign-up that gets you free startup cost guide, free brokers list, free broker email template, free cost per mile guide, free safety and compliance guide, and a free 15-minute chat to get you started in the right direction. Be a part of a multi-billion-dollar industry. Here are some of the clients we have helped reach their true potential. Not sure if you're ready to take the leap? Don't worry, we have a free course and training class just for you. Sign up now for free course and become a part of $1 billion industry with boxtruckhelp.com.